Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 5, the 7th lesson, using the Goal Seek tool. Tolano Ventures is investigating the possibility of launching a new company that will provide whale watching tours to its own customers as well as other travel agencies' customers. Maybe we'll go on a whale watching tour field trip. The cost of renting the boats is estimated to be about 25% of revenues, and fuel is another 35%. The remaining costs are fixed monthly expenses for salaries, a small office near the pier, and various boat-related expenses. We're going to use the Goal Seek tool to determine how much revenue is required to reach a break-even point. That means the net income is zero instead of being negative. So select cell B16. You can see that it's currently negative. On the Data tab, click the Data tab. In the Forecast group, right over here, click What If Analysis, and then Goal Seek. The Goal Seek dialog box appears with the Set Cell box referring to the answer cell. Select the To Value text box and set the value to 0. Select the By Changing cell right here and type B3, or use the mouse to select B3, either one. Click OK. That's going to initiate the Goal Seek analysis. The Goal Seek tool displays the results in the Goal Seek status dialog box. If Excel is able to find a solution, the target value and the current value will be the same. The Goal Seek dialog box should appear as follows. You see Goal Seek status, and mine looks the same. Click OK in the Goal Seek status dialog box to accept the results of your goal seeking. You would need to bring in $20,625 in revenue in order to break even. That's what you see right up there. The worksheet should now appear as follows, and you see those numbers are the same as mine. So let's mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Use the Goal Seek tool to determine how much revenue would be required to generate profit of $5,000 if rent and mortgage fees increase. So change cell B8. So let's click in B8. And we're going to type 3,000. And B12 to 700. Select cell B16. And then on the Data tab, we're going to do the What If analysis and Goal Seek again. Select the To Value, and we're going to make that 5,000 by changing cell, and we're going to type B3 again, and then click OK to initiate the analysis. Click OK in the Goal Seek status box to accept all the results. And you would need to bring in $35,250 to generate $5,000 in profit. In the face of increasing expenses, the worksheet should now appear like this, and mine does. So select the Loan worksheet. Select cell B4 and confirm the formula. Payment B2 divided by 12, comma B3, B1 minus B1 has been entered, and it has. So mark that and go to the next one. Let's assume you have an opportunity to purchase a boat suitable for running your business. You do not want to pay more than what you are currently spending on your boat rental, but you're willing to pay the loan off over a reasonable period of time that does not exceed 30 months. As the worksheet currently shows, you need to lower the monthly payment significantly and increase the number of payments. With cell B4 still selected, set the following Goal Seek values. So let's do this. Goal Seek. Set cell should be B4. To value, we're going to make that 8812.50. And by changing cell B3, Click OK to initiate the Goal Seek analysis, and click OK to close the Goal Seek dialog box. The worksheet now appears as follows. You see there's your monthly payment, there's your loan amount, everything looks the same. Mark that as answered and submit it. We now know how to do a Goal Seek tool. Congratulations.